are you guys? Oh my gosh, it's been 2 nights since I chalked. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna see if I'm live. Just give me 1 sec. I am live. Yay. Let's see where we are. Where is the video? There it is.
I mean, I thought actually in a way that because they call spray something because they can read it, and it teaches them to go harder, which they do. So since May 31st or like May 30th, they've been 31-13.
Just sharing into my VIP group, you guys, really quickly.
That's enough to actually retain the first spot in the ball card.
Oops. There we go. Hi, you guys. It's old-fashioned chalking. No switcher tonight. Hi, Margaret Miller. Hi, Roberta. Hi, Pammy. How are you? So, Bran is going to be saying hello because... Here, I'm going to keep it so we can both see. Hubby is with us. We're in the camper. And we're going to be using Good Vibes Only. Hi, Sherry Ann. How are you? As you guys are coming in, make sure you say hello. If you are on Facebook, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. It is sadly not going to be broadcasted live to YouTube because I don't have my full switcher. I can't figure out how to do it on my cell phone. You're not catching it live, but if you're watching on the replay, make sure you say hashtag replay. If you're watching live, please say hashtag live. Like I said, share is on the bottom left-hand side of the mobile device. If this is either the first time you've heard about Chalk Couture, or you may have heard of Chalk Couture, but you're not currently working with a designer, please put a 1 down below because I would love to be your designer. So, hi Christina, hi Johnny, hi Dawn Marie, how have you guys been? I feel like it's been forever. Hi, Joyce. Hey, Cindy. How you doing, girlie? Hello, hello. So, tonight we are going to play with the Good Vibes Only transfer. And you want to know a fun fact? This is going to be part 1. Tomorrow morning, we are going to be making a shirt with Good Vibes Only. Hi, Sherry. Hello, hello. Let's see. Hi, Tanya. Hi, Teresa. Hi. So, let's go ahead and let's do this, right? I feel like I said, it's been forever. So let me tell you a little bit about Chalk Couture. Yes, and Dawn Marie, you're so cute. Yes, if you are brand new, if you are a Chalk Couture designer already, please put it 2 below in the comments.
Okay.
My girls that are watching already know the deal. I love it. So let's talk about Chalk Couture really quickly. What is Chalk Couture? Well, we sell silk screen adhesive back reusable transfers, which are similar to stencils. They are a silk screen material. They can be reused over and over and over again. You can use our transfers with either our Couture ink or our chalk paste. Our chalk paste will go on wet. It will dry hard. You'll be able to rub your hands all over it, but on most surfaces, it will come off with water. You can use chalk paste on chalkboards, wood, metal, tin, glass, canvas, burlap, dry erase boards, mirrors, plastic, and more, and it will come off everything but the burlap, the wood, and the canvas. Couture ink will go on, and you can use it on such canvases like pillowcase covers, curtains, t-shirts, onesies, tea towels, anything ceramic. You can do it, and it becomes permanent once it's set either in the oven or with an iron. Cindy, you love how I say water.
Cindy, that's not how you would spell it. She spelled it like W-U-T-E-R. It's more like SPG says, W-O-O-D-E-R.
Yep. Hi, Kimmelbrook. So, what we are going to do first is write on the back of our transfer, and I need to find a pen.
Pen? No,
a pen. Marker? I know, I didn't bring my marker. That's the thing.
Marker down here?
I don't think so.
Hold on.
Uh-oh. The hubby is going to look for me. So tonight's going to be Good Vibes Only. This needs to be put up and around me at all times. Even if we only have a pen, babe, I'll take a pen. All right, I'm going to try my best to make it work on the back of this.
I think.
I know, right?
What's wrong with that?
Sometimes on the back of this it won't work.
Because, yeah,
Hold on.
pen doesn't really work on that.
No, I know. You
That's
gotta
why
like
it's more of a marker.
get the ink going.
Or you have to have like cardboard underneath.
There it goes. Good vibes only. You gotta let the ink flow first. That's what has to happen. So, as I said, our transfers are reusable over and over and over again. So, when they are reused over and over and over again, you know what I meant, she says. Hi, Amy. I caught that also so adorable. Oh, thanks, Tanya. Hey, Kim. Hi, Gail. Where are you camping? So, Sherry, we have a camper in Beachcomber, and it's in Cape May. It's okay. You just hit it like that. Cape May, New Jersey. It is, Sherry, tomorrow morning you're going to want to tune in because that's actually what I'm doing with this transfer. We're going to make a shirt tomorrow morning for early morning chalky and coffee. I love you too, Cindy. I know, girlfriend. So, on the back of the transfer is like a paper backer. The side the transfer is actually housed on is a glossy side of the carrier sheet, okay? So the paper side is the side we're going to write on because we don't want to put the transfer in this. Believe me, you will be super unhappy if you do. Hi, Lori Michelle. Hi, Dawn Marie. Hello, hello. So what we're going to do, first things first, is we're going to take the transfer off the carrier sheet. I'm going to give that to the hubby. Then we're going to use our fuzzing towel, and we are going to fuzz this up.
Why is
okay?
yours so dirty?
Because I've had chalk paste and all on it. You know, sometimes it happens.
You figure after you really only fuzz it like the one time, right?
Yeah, well, the first few times because it's super sticky.
Then it should be clean.
Right. Well, when you also spray water and you go to stir really hard and some of it leaks out, that's what happens.
Okay.
Yeah. So on our fuzzing cloths, the side that is the fuzzing side is the side that has the tag. The side on the opposite side is the microfiber side, and there is, that's the side we use to clean our boards. Now, I fuzzed up my transfer, and now I'm going to place this down onto my canvas. Now, what I'm going to do is take my fuzzing towel and use it to help make my canvas have a spot for me to be able to push and give some resistance, because you know how the canvas is open all on the inside. I don't want it to be where I can't have anything that's going to back it up, because you know what's going to happen? The chalk paste isn't going to go all the way through and it's going to be a big mess. Now see, now I feel like I can push on this. Now I'm also making sure that it's down really well. Now some people will use Couture ink on their canvas. I do not, because I feel like if I were to use the ink on the canvas, it actually bleeds a little because the canvas has these little itty bitty squares, right?
It runs, yeah.
Yeah, we learned that. Remember, babe? Now, I do see some bubbles in my O's, and I don't want to deal with bubbles in my O's.
The Y good?
Yeah, the Y seems good.
Now look at this angle.
Let's use the squeegee. See that? I heard it.
Yeah.
There it goes.
But it's not sticking really well to it.
Yeah, you know why? Probably because I may have fuzzed a little too much. Sometimes on canvas, and it's because of the bubbles that it'll do that, so. See? Hold on.
Now you're fighting the bubbles up.
I know. All right, now we're gonna hope that that works. There it goes. I think we're okay. And don't mind me, I will be going to get my nails done tomorrow. I had to pull those other nails off because they were on so long and they were seriously irking me. Okay, so I will make sure that this is on super well. Okay. There we go. Now I think it's better. Yeah, you hear all that?
Yeah, but then it just comes up on the end as soon as you get done
I think
doing
it's this canvas.
it could be a few
We're
things.
gonna try and make it work. We're gonna see. If not, then you know it's just gonna be a hot mess project tonight. Which would not surprise me, because you know why? I am tired. And you know what it also might be?
That's when hot messes occur.
Yes. Here's what we're gonna try and do. because I think because it doesn't have a flat.
With the towel underneath.
Yes.
Probably what it is. But again, I think maybe it's just not 100% sticky.
There it goes, yeah. Much better. Oh, much better. That's what it may have been.
Perhaps.
All right, so here's what else I'm going to do to make sure that it's really good. There it goes. All righty. Let's see if we missed anybody. All righty. Ready?
What color?
We're going to use black velvet tonight.
Just on the whole thing?
Yep.
That really represents good vibes, huh? Black velvet?
Well, it's going to be like bam in your face.
Like the place band, man.
Bam. Like how you were screaming at me as we passed that place today, and it was freaking me out every time you screamed
Place
it.
called Bam.
Bam.
I don't know what that was. I don't know if that was I guess it was a store. I don't think it was a restaurant.
I don't think it was a restaurant. It said toys and
Did it?
electronics.
I
Yeah.
didn't know that.
Okay. Alrighty. We are already just about done. This is the easiest stuff
Yeah.
ever. What?
Saying about watching you do it with your real nails.
Oh, I know. It's the worst. My real nails are horrible. And I'm sorry that I'm even showing them, but I really wanted to chalk tonight.
Put some black ink paste.
Right? Oh my God. They are, I have not had my real nails showing in months. Months. So, it's been crazy. All right. Yeah, they need to breathe every once in a while. Alrighty, let's peel and reveal here, folks.
You don't even reveal, huh?
Uh-oh, we had a little bleed on my O up there, but you know what? I'm gonna see if maybe it just bled just a smidge.
Bubbled out a little.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll see if I can use a Q-tip and just lightly get it off. But otherwise, it turned out perfect. I love it. Hey, Laura. Hi, Melanie Fine Reynolds. Wow, you read my mind about your nails. I've never seen you without. Oh, yeah, I know. They're terrible, Sherry. Don't judge. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting them done. I took them off today, let them breathe, and they hurt, too. I wound up tearing off. Hi, Sage. Hi, Les. Sage, oh, my gosh, you're a scarecrow. Girl, you are so talented. I can't take it. I need just the talent that you have in your pinky. That's all I'm asking for. Hubby, say hello to Sage.
Hey, Sage.
How's Mr. Patrick, Sage? Okay. So we got this. We are all done. Like I said, we bled a little on the O, but it's okay. It looks super cute, and I cannot wait to hang it up. Now, you know what I want to do? Well, do I want to? I was going to say maybe when I get home, because we're down the camper, so I don't have everything with me. I need to... Hi, new here, Destiny. How are you? You found me on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad. Destiny, do me a favor. Put a 1 in the comments if you would. Bless my heart. Sherry, you're so cute. Hi, Vicky Hunter. He is fab. He is cutting... He's cutting wood, Sage. Send him here. Please. You and Patrick need to come here and cut some... And help me learn how to cut wood. Help me, help me. So this is all done. I could rub my hands all over it. It's not going to go anywhere. If this was on a chalkboard or wood or mirrors or glass or plastic or dry erase boards, it would come right off with water. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, thank you. Hi, Heidi. Hi, Sandra. Your Sage is down. She's going to come. Sage, you have to come during the summer so we can take you down the shore. So you can come and hang out here. Hang out at the camper. It's tiny, but it's fun. So that's the project, y'all. So let me fill you in a little bit. Now, if you come off with what? Water. Cindy loves that. Hi, Sandra. So if you loved what you saw and you saw how easy it was to do, if you are not already working with a designer, I would love to be your Chalk Couture designer. All you need, there's a little brand. All you need to do is comment me down below, and I will message you the link to my VIP group. In my VIP group, I have special offers, bundle deals. I have intro kits, try me kits. special offers. I have over 600 Chalk Couture videos, and it'd be bound to bring you some inspiration. So I would love to have you join me. Yay! Jolie! I will definitely message you the link for sure. If while you were watching, though, you said, you know what, I am so ready to build my empire. Hi, Suzanne. I am ready to purchase that business in a box for only $99. Well, guess what? I would love for you to do that. If you comment join down below, I'll message you the link to my opportunity group. In my opportunity group, I have a video that goes over every single thing you need to know to make an educated decision about joining Chalk Couture. And not just Chalk Couture, but my team. I want you to be happy with the decision you make. So, comment, join, and you'll get that. Now, finally, last but not least, absolutely, Barbara, I'm so glad. Jolie, Barbara, and my new viewer,
Destiny.
who is it? Destiny. I'll message you all the links to my VIP group. If you are looking to join the coolest club around, you're going to want to join my Club Couture. Club Couture is a monthly subscription service that we have. There's a 3-month minimum on the subscription service. It's $19.99 US plus tax, or $26.99 Canadian plus tax. Free shipping for both. Free shipping. It's an exclusive size B transfer plus 3 chalk paste singles every single month to your door without fail. You will absolutely love it. Now, when you join my club, you will also get added into a group where I make 3 additional projects with our Club Couture transfer. I just did July's Club Couture, Here Comes the Sun. It turned out so cute. The 3 projects, wouldn't you say, babe? Didn't they turn out really cute? Yeah, and then, well, that's not it. It was the one that says Here Comes the Sun, and I made the 3 different ones. Yeah.
Oh, of it. Yeah.
Of it, yep. Yeah. So that, now, when you join this month, which is July, you will not actually be billed until August the 5th, but you will have the ability to add July's Club Couture into your cart. So you definitely are going to want to consider doing that, okay? I ordered more Chalk Couture stuff today. Yay, Teresa. Hi, Les. How are you? So that's all I've got for you tonight, but make sure you guys join me bright and early tomorrow morning for early morning chalking and coffee, where I will recreate Good Vibes Only on a t-shirt with our Couture ink. I can't wait to chalk with you guys. I am so glad that I got to get in and chalk tonight, because I've missed chalking the last 2 nights. I loved being with my family and spending time with them, but I missed chalking.
There's a button there.
But I missed chalking. Hi, Tanya. So, if you guys have any questions, comment them down below. Otherwise, like I said, I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning for early morning chalking and coffee. So I hope you guys have an awesome night, and I will talk to you later. Bye.